Oh, I told you. Too fine. Should I help you with the dish?
No. It's fine. I'm almost done. It's just 2 rings.
Really? Yeah, I don't like it when you're far from me. It makes my heart skip a bit.
What? You think I'm going to disappear?
Oh? I can't wait to make you mine.
Well, it's just a matter of weeks.
Can it be a matter of days?
I love you. No kissing, baby.
What do you mean?
No kissing.
Actually, I'm in the mood to do more than kissing, right?
My country people, did you guys see that kiss? That kiss, they got very bad. Hi, Maurice, Mozukani, my guy. Chai, guys, I don't bring another wingy video come for na domote again. No, I see they do one for my page. I beg, if you're not this people's favorite, I beg, scroll down to my other videos. You will see other amebo gist, hot gist where I don't drop. These particular people are my favorite, so I always like to promote them on my page. So no verse. Do you get? Back to my Sonia lovers. This is the trending video of Sonia, like one of her latest movie titled Once Upon a Vow. I'm pretty sure you will enjoy it. So rush now to Sonia Uche TV if you have not watched this movie.
What is that for?
Baby, is that why you're screaming like that?
Why would I scream from my back?
Don't.
Wait, I came to show you something.
But
Yes, so I want you to help me pick from these earrings, this one, or this one, or this one. Which one?
go back again.
This,
Yeah.
this,
There.
this one,
That one, yes.
this one.
That suits you perfectly.
Sure.
100%.
Alright,
Suits you well.
okay.
Wait, where are you going to?
Back to Amanda.
To do what?
Babe, she's waiting, so we can make it. Wait.
Because I want to spend time with my
Babe,
girlfriend.
but I'm not running away. She's waiting.
Hey, let her wait now.
Babe, I'm going to come back and
Hey,
then.
but you're sleeping over here.
So, what's the deal with Henry's relatives? I thought he mentioned his cousins flying in from Canada or something.
Well,
Thank you.
yeah, that I don't know. And you know Henry's a loner. So, and he barely even talks about his family or relatives. But I know his uncle, the one in Enugu, is coming. And, yeah, a few of his friends. Yeah.
And his best man?
Oh, Leo, he should be here in a few days.
I hope he's cute though. Who knows? Maybe after the wedding, the best man and the maid of honor will start planning their own wedding.
Okay, so what should I call you? Amanda the Dreamer?
I'm serious, so. Look, I hope he's a decent guy though, because I don't want any stranger ruining my wedding photos.
Lord have mercy.
I don't tell you, say, na me and you the wed. As I no get man, make I do my own imaginary wedding in case I no later find my marry.
Your head is not correct, though, you know, right?
I don't talk my own, no.
See, the worst thing that can come to you as a lady is to find a man that harbors revenge in his heart. Maurice Sam did Sonia Uche dirty on this particular one. Like, this movie is a top notch. You need to go watch it. Seriously, guys, rush now.